we are not just a team of bank exam tutors, we are in fact ex-bankers ourselves. Welcome to day 10 of daily 5 MCQ series for State Bank of India's circle-based officer exam of 2025 year. In each video of this free lesson series, we will discuss 5 MCQs that are very important from the angle of the exam. Without further ado, let us begin the class. The topic of today's class is KYC or Know Your Customer. Okay. Yesterday's class was also on the same topic, KYC. I think you will have 2 more classes on it because this is a important topic when it comes to SBI CBO exam. I think at least 5 questions were asked in the 2024 paper on this topic. Okay. So what is KYC? We already learnt yesterday that KYC or Know Your Customer, it is a process requiring banks and other financial institutions to verify the identity and address of their customers to prevent money laundering, fraud and terrorist financing. Okay, let us go to question number 1 now. What is CKYCR? Okay, options. Option A, a government body that offers credit scores. Option B, a centralized platform for storing KYC records digitally. Option C, RBI's fraud detection portal. Option D, UIDAI's complaint redressal unit. Option E, FIUIND's record audit term. Okay, so what is CKYC here? So by the options, they are not asking us for the expansion of the short form. They are asking us what it exactly is. So the answer here is option B. So CKYCR, it is a centralized platform for storing KYC records digitally. CKYCR stands for Central KYC Records Registry. It was established by the Government of India. Once a customer completes the CKYC process, a 14-digit CKYC number is assigned to that customer and that number is stored in the CKYCR. Okay. Now, before going to the next question, let us see how BankerWings can better help you prepare for the SBI CBO exam. We have launched 2 courses for SBI CBO 2025 exam. In the first course, you will get summary notes on all the topics. These notes will be crisp, precise and very to the point. But most of you might not have enough time to go through the notes. For such candidates, we have provided top most probable and most important multiple choice questions. If you are someone who does not have enough time to go through the notes, because we know you are all working candidates, you can go through the multiple choice questions and then finish the syllabus. But apart from the summary notes and the multiple choice questions, we have also provided 10 mock tests. These mock tests, they will be as per the pattern of the actual exam. So you can expect similar type question in your real exam also. In the second course, we have provided only 10 mock tests. These mock tests, they will be, as I said, as per the trend and pattern of the actual exam. This is for those people, the second course is for those people who just want to test their preparation level. And let me tell you one thing about our courses. The quality of our courses is excellent. They are the best in the market. But that is what any tutor would say, right? That his or her content is the best. So why should you trust me? I will tell you why. Because we at BankerWings, we are not just a team of bank exam tutors. We are in fact ex-bankers ourselves. We have passed multiple bank exams, both at fresher entry level and lateral entry level. We have passed multiple IBPS exams. So when we say that we know what the banks are actually looking for in these exams, we really do because we have worked there. Coming back to our daily MCQs, question 2. Who is the principal officer under KYC AML CFT framework? Okay. So what is this KYC AML CFT framework? KYC, as we know, stands for Know Your Customer. AML stands for Anti-Money Laundering and CFT stands for Combating the Financing of Terrorism. Now, all the banks and financial institutions, they are mandated to have a KYC AML CFT framework and they have to mandatorily assign a principal officer for it. Now, the question asks us who is he or what he does. Okay, let us take a look at the options. Option A, Senior Relationship Executive. Option B, Bank Staff Managing physical vaults. Option C, appointed officer responsible for STR, CTR and AML compliance. Option D, RBI branch supervisor. Option E, internal auditor at zonal level. So out of these 5 options, who will be the one that is selected for principal officer under KYC AML CFT framework? The answer is option C. So a principal officer who under KYC AML CFT framework, he will be that officer who is responsible for the compliance of STR, CTR and AML. So AML is anti-money laundering. So what is STR? STR stands for suspicious transaction report. CTR stands for cash transaction report. The officer who is responsible for compliance of all these three, he will be the principal officer under KYC AML CFT framework. Okay, let us go to the next question. Question 3. UCIC stands for, okay, options. Option A, Unique Credit Information Code. Option B, Unified Customer Identification Committee. Option C, Unique Customer Identification Code. Option D, Uniform Central Identification Card. Option E, User Central Investment Certificate. Okay, so what is the answer here? The answer is option C, Unique Customer Identification Code. So what UCIC is exactly? It is an alphanumeric code assigned by banks and other financial institutions to uniquely identify each customer across all the accounts and services. This is different from the 14-digit CKYC number. Okay, let us go to the next question. Question 4. For low risk customers, KYC update interval is to be done every how many years? Option A, 2 years. Option B, 3 years. Option C, 5 years. Option D, 10 years. Option E, never required. So the answer is definitely not never required. For all the customers, KYC updation is to be done regularly. But for low risk customer, it is to be happening at different interval. For medium risk customer, the mandated interval is different, and for high risk customer, again the mandated interval is different. So what is the interval duration for a low risk customer? That is the question. The answer is option D, 10 years. Okay, let us take a look at the interval for different types of customers. For a low risk customer, it is 10 years. For a medium risk customer, it is 8 years. And for a high risk customer, it is only 2 years. Okay. Now, before going to the last question, the PDFs of all our YouTube questions and answers are available in our Telegram group. If you like the class, please let us know by liking and sharing the video. If you want the platform to show you our videos daily, subscribe to the channel. And if you want questions on any particular topic, let us know in the comments. And do take a look at our paid courses by visiting our website. You can take a free mock test by signing up for free. And the best part of our course is that you will get personal guidance from us. You may call us at the number on the screen anytime. Okay, now let us get to the last question. Question 5. Who of the following is not typically categorized as a high risk customer? Okay. Options. Option A, politically exposed person. Option B, NGOs and charitable trust. Read it as NGOs. Option C, sole salaried employee with verified income. Option D, bullion dealer. Option E, foreign national with non-face-to-face onboarding. So what is the answer here? The answer is option C, sole salaried employee with verified income. The other 4 options, they are usually categorized as high risk customers. But a salaried employee with verified income, it is unlikely that he will be a high risk customer. Okay. Now let us end the class here. And let me remind you, there is a live strategy session on preparation for SBI CBO exam on Sunday. That is 15th of June. It is open for all. This interactive session, it will be taken by Mallikarjun sir, who is a bank exam expert and an experienced banker himself. You may be attempting SBI CBO exam for the first time, or you may be a repeater. This free session is for you. After you have attended it, you will not have any confusion regarding the exam. So do attend the session and have all your queries answered. Thank you. All the best.